It's a 2017 INFINITI Q60. A quicker response, effortless passing power, a refined, functional, and smart interior. The INFINITI Q60 puts it all in your control. It comes with all the amenities you need. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, INFINITI InTouch apps, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, VR engine, dynamic digital suspension automatic with driver control suspension management, voice activation, power tilting steering column, sport suspension, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection reports these models quite cleverly straddle demographic lines and provide the seat-of-the-pants thrills of a bad boy sports car at times with a lot more social grace. Driver-centric design puts you in the center of your automotive universe. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Experience the difference at Rochester Mazda, where you get our best price. Bottom line, we are conveniently located at 2955 48th Street Northwest in Rochester, Minnesota.